Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of mute notifications on Yazio. We go to settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will scrolling down until you find this window of Yazio and you will click. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.